Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Muhammad Taha Khan, son of Dr. Azim Khan. With the grace of Almighty Allah, I have scored 98.4% in my CBSE board examination. For this, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my parents who have supported me every moment to reach here, and my teachers, Lubna ma'am, Bade Baji, who made me capable of achieving this. Also, I would like to express my tribute to our director, sir, late Ehteshamuddin, sir, who laid the foundation of this institution and hope for the betterment and upbringing of the students. I have been a student of this institution since 10 years, and throughout this journey, whatever problems arose, my teachers were always ready to support me and help me to overcome those problems. And also, I have been glad to be part of this institution. And in conclusion, I would just say that it's a direct result and outcome of Allah's grace, my parents' sacrifices, teachers' support, my dedication, and director sir's hope. At last, for all the students, I would just say that believe in yourself and the world is yours. Thank you.